Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax return in new regime for salaried employees full guide. Gather Form 16, salary slips, bank statements, PAN and Aadhaar, then log into the official income tax e-filing portal. Verify your pre-filled details, update any income from interest or investment, and choose the new regime option. Prepare to e-verify using Aadhaar OTP or net banking for instant confirmation and receipt. Start by checking the pre-filled income fields and reconcile with your Form 16 line by line. Add any income not captured like bank interest, rental income, or capital gains, and attach supporting details mentally for accuracy. Select the new regime option, review tax calculations, claim only allowed deductions, and validate all figures. Submit the ITR, then complete e-verification using Aadhaar OTP or net banking to finalize your filing quickly and securely. If this walkthrough is helping, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more tax tips. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading guides, PDF, and long documents comfortably while you learn. Check the description for the product link and other deals that may be helpful for study and reference. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Watch out for common errors like missing bank interest, mismatched Form 16 entries, or selecting incorrect ITR forms for salary income. Remember, the new regime limits deductions, so do not try to claim exemptions that do not apply. Reconcile TDS on Form 26 as before submission and ensure bank account details are correct for refunds. After filing, e-verify immediately to complete the process and avoid follow-up notices or delays in refund processing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.